Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation, Learning Tools, a three-stage approach. Just a quick backdrop for my project. My project will be based on a cross-cultural uh, learning opportunity for students here in the US at a college and also students in Italy who are both studying opera. And the students here at the US college will be learning Italian opera, and the Italian students in the Italian college overseas will be learning English opera from their student counterparts here in the US. Based on that, the purpose of this presentation is to determine the technologies, or rather technology tools that I will be using to develop, implement, and share the project. Also, the STEM/STEAM component and telecommunication tools will reflect the complexity of the project along with the complexity of the skills that I am going to be choosing. Now, the beginning stage, the students will introduce themselves and schedule online meetings / learning times amongst each other for teaching and learning the opera songs. And they're going to be doing this via WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram messages, or emails. And in the intermediate stage, this is where they're actually going to be doing the collaboration. And in this stage of the project, the students learning collaboration and interaction will be done via Firestorm OS, Zoom, Skype, Google, or other video conferencing software if they don't have access to VR, but hopefully they will be. And albeit this is a hypothetical situation. And then in the final stage, in this stage, the recording of the various repertoires of opera songs could possibly be done with TikTok or Screencast-O-Matic, and then be uploaded to YouTube for creating, editing, and video sharing. So this is basically how my project will be going with three stages. The beginning stage, the intermediate stage, and then the final stage. As I said before, in the intermediate stage, in the beginning stage, this is where the students are going to be getting to know each other. In the intermediate stage, they're going to be actually learning from each other, cross-cultural learning and interaction, and collaborating. And then in the final stage now, this is where they're going to be putting it together so for the recording so that it can be made available for others. So thank you for viewing my presentation.